We have a 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee. We're going to go through the steps in replacing the fuel pump in the module assembly. Disconnect the electrical connection from the sending unit. Lightly depress the slides and remove the top flange from the reservoir. Be sure and remove and save the balance valve from the bottom of the reservoir can. Remove the external strainer. Disconnect the fuel pump electrical connection and remove the pump from the flange assembly. Remove the fuel tube and spring from the top of the pump. Thoroughly clean the inside of the reservoir. Then install the balance valve with the rubber gasket down. Your fuel pump kit comes with a new fuel pump, 2 isolators, a retainer, tank seals, and you'll also be required to purchase strainers separately. Install the retainer into the isolator and install the isolator onto the bottom of the pump. Install the strainer onto the isolator, noting the locating tab. Install the isolator in place on the top of the pump. Install the fuel tube and spring onto the pump, then install it onto the flange. Reconnect the electrical connection and lower into the reservoir. With the guides properly positioned, carefully press the flange onto the reservoir. Reconnect the electrical connection to the sending unit and install the bottom strainer. With the new Airtex fuel pump in place, we're ready to install the module assembly back into the tank.